IDBI Bank joins us on the phone line to talk about that. Mr. Bansal, good morning. First, a word on what you plan to do with your that 1.5% stake. Any plans to offload it, or would you continue to hold it?
That depends on the listing. We will take a call after listing.
But the chances are you will take advantage of it. I mean, you could even be part of the divestment team. You're not doing that.
We have been selling it earlier also.
Okay.
So, I mean, it's a known position which we have taken.
Okay.
So that call we will take again. But we have sold because we used to hold earlier quite a lot. So
okay. So you're not definitely selling in the IPO. You will, if at all, sell after the IPO.
We have to take that call. We have still not taken that call.
Oh. Okay. Well, let me come to the other big issue, sir. Just minutes before we called you up, State Bank of Travancore said that they are cutting marginal lending rates by between 25 and 30 basis points. That's not a kind of number we have seen lately. It has all been 5 and 10 basis. Should we hear more of this? Should we hear it from IDBI?
All the banks actually are looking at cost of funds, which, as you are aware, maybe slightly has gone down because deposit rates have gone down. And saving balances have gone up. So naturally, it impacts the MCLR calculation, the way it is done. So I think you will hear from most of the banks.
Okay. You also, just coming back to that earlier point, you also have stakes in a lot of other entities like CRISIL, etc. Are you looking to pair off stake in any of them?
No, we don't hold in CRISIL. We used to hold in CARE, which we have sold.
In CARE, okay, yes. And any other stake sale that you're planning?
We hold in number of other companies, but they are unlisted as of now. So we will take a call depending on the opportunities available.
Okay. Well, will we hear the first case of S4A? I mean, will you be able to give unsustainable debt a knock in any company at all in the next quarter?
Yeah, one case you are all aware. I think that's already approved. So that you will hear.
Which one is that?
There are other 3-4 cases also which are being looked at.
Okay.
No, let me not disclose the name because most of the people are aware of that name.
Okay,
so.
well, just one more thing I want to ask you, sir. In terms of numbers, how much did you all get by way of deposits of old notes, obviously, in the last 50 days?
I don't know about the last 50 days overall number, but we have got substantial deposit. But now slowly we are finding it is going into slightly withdrawal mode.
Oh,
so overall, we have to really see after January, after 31st December. What
I was referring to the old notes, sir. Old notes, how much did you get? You don't have a number for that?
I'm talking about old notes only, but slowly the old notes are being withdrawn as new notes. So that's a finally somebody needs money, they will be withdrawing.
No, they will withdraw the new notes, I agree. So I'm not asking your net deposit position, I was asking you your old note collection. You all sometime back...
collection figure, I think RBI will disclose that.
Okay. You all had also disclosed some numbers on counterfeit notes. You have a number on that?
No, we have not seen that. We are not aware.
Okay. All right, sir. We'll leave it at that. Mr. Bansal, it's a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much for joining us and have a great 2017, sir.